Introduction of microwave engineering. The objective today is what is microwave, what is advantage of microwave, what is application of microwave, and what is IEEE band in microwave engineering. What is microwave? Microwave is the electromagnetic spectrum which frequency from 300 MHz to 300 GHz. Means microwave frequency range to 300 MHz to 300 GHz. In terms of wavelength, the range of microwave is 1 meter to 1 mm. This wavelength is calculated the relation lambda is equal to c by f. From those relation you calculate the wavelength. Means the microwave frequency range 300 MHz to 300 GHz. Electromagnetic spectrum. Spectrum means the range of frequency which exists in. Here you see the start from radio and into gamma ray. In increasing of frequency, this shows diagram: radio frequency, microwave, infrared, visual, ultraviolet, X-ray, and gamma ray. Means this direction increasing in frequency. Also show this waveform. Here frequency is less and then increasing. Here your highest frequency. In terms of wavelength is longer wavelength here, smaller wavelength here. The microwave name specify micro means small in wavelength terms. This also shows a spectrum. This shows the radio frequency used as your radio, and microwave frequency used as a microwave oven, infrared used as a remote, visual light used as a LED bulb, ultraviolet that is emit from our sun, X-ray and gamma that is nuclear uses. Next to move our handwritten notes. IEEE band. Next to advantage and certain questions. Okay, IEEE band. IEEE's full form is Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. The band structure shows here. If we start from high frequency, very high frequency, upper high frequency. In terms of this was in terms of gigahertz. These values are in terms of gigahertz. High frequency 0.003 to 0.03. In terms of megahertz, 3 megahertz to 30 megahertz. And very high frequency is the 30 megahertz to 300 megahertz. Upper high frequency is to 0.3 to 1 gigahertz. Overall means you note that this is the very important band of frequency. L band that is from 1 to 2 gigahertz, S band 2 to 4 gigahertz, C band 4 to 8 gigahertz, X band 8 to 12 gigahertz. This is very important. X band is used 8 to 12 gigahertz. Also your experiment those performed in laboratory use 8 to 12 gigahertz. That is supported by the microwave band setup. Next your Ku band 12 to 18 gigahertz, K band 18 to 27 gigahertz, and K band is used 27 to 40 gigahertz. These are the IEEE band. You important note that these band and their range. Also, if we go to millimeter, is range is 40 to 300, and some millimeter greater than 300. Okay, the IEEE band. Note down this point and their range. In this side you have see some books also use 1 to 300 gigahertz microwave frequency range. In terms of wavelength 30 to 1 mm. You also note that always we use here 300 megahertz to 300 gigahertz of microwave frequency range. Okay, this your division shows radio frequency less than 300 megahertz come to the radio frequency. Next 300 to 300 gigahertz come to microwave frequency. Then infrared, this range is infrared, that is 300 gigahertz to 430 terahertz. Then you come to light frequency range come 430 terahertz to 1000 terahertz. Then come to x-ray come to 1000 to 1018 terahertz. Then come to gamma, and next to cosmic, this range 10 to power 12 hertz, this range 10 to power 28 hertz. Overall, here you see the division of frequency range of particular band. Note in a mind only which is greater in frequency or which are lesser as compared to other. You focus of those points. Means if radio frequency and micro frequency, who is greater? Micro frequency is greater as compared to radio frequency. This is overall shows your frequency range. If we go to the certain usage of our communication system, also voice range is 300 to 3400 hertz, AM range is 535105 kilohertz, short wave range 3 to 30 megahertz, FM 88 to 108 megahertz, TV range is 54 to 840 megahertz. Thus is general way to understand these ranges. Next, if we move to certain division also here, elementary, low frequency, very low frequency, medium frequency, high frequency, very high frequency, upper high frequency, super high frequency, and extremely high frequency. This also division in frequency range 30 to 300 hertz come to elementary, low frequency, very low frequency 3 to 30 kilohertz, and low frequency 30 to 300 kilohertz. These are certain range of frequencies which specify the particular range. Also, example, this range, suppose elementary low frequency used in communication with submarines, and very low frequency are used in long distance point to point communication. Suppose I come to the upper high frequency, super high frequency, these are used in satellite communication, radar communication, etc. are the application with your frequency range. In this page, the important point you note that IEEE band. You note this ranges, which is from starting point and ending from range. Next to our microwave property. The property of microwave, one of the radiate electromagnetic energy with shorter wavelength. Next one is the microwave not reflected by ionosphere. You study in communication system, the microwave frequency rays penetrate the ionosphere, not reflected by the ionosphere. One of the advantage property. Microwave travel straight line, not reflected by the conducting surface. This microwave is travel in straight line, means no bending of signal. If strike in a conducting surface, this then is reflected. Micro current in micro frequency range, current flow through a thin layer of cable. Micro frequency range, current flow in thin layer of cable. These are the property. Advantage of microwave. There are the many advantages of microwave. Increase the bandwidth availability. Microwave frequency range increases, so the more information is transmitted through microwave frequency range. Antenna gain is more, antenna gain is possible, means antenna gain is increased, means antenna gain increase means more directivity also increases. Higher data rate, through this higher data rate Antenna size is reduced. If frequency is increased, antenna size is also reduces. Low power consumption. Low power consumed in a microwave frequency. Effective fading gets reduced by using line of sight propagation. Fading also get reduced. Fading means overall signal variation in a receiver. When signal is received in the receiver side, signal is varied. That is called fading. Means if we use microwave frequency range, our fading is reduced. Provide effective reflection area in radar system. Also advantage used in radar system in microwave frequency. Satellite and terrestrial communication with high capacity are possible. More channels through microwave frequency is communicated. Low cost of microwave component. These are the advantages. Next, moving the disadvantage of microwave. Certain disadvantage such as the cost of equipment is high. These components occupy more space or more area. Electromagnetic interference interfere the signal in microwave also. These are the disadvantage. The above also written in handwritten form. This also the increase bandwidth availability, improve the directivity, means gain is also improved. Adding effect and reliability. If adding with also reduces power requirement less. Application of microwave in telecommunication, radar, commercial and industrial application, drying machine, biomedical application. Telecommunication means TV, space communication, telephone, radar, aircraft, tracking guide, missile ATC, air traffic controller ATC full form. Commercial and industrial application, heating property, microwave heating properties. That's why commercial and industrial applications such as potato chips industry use. Drying machine, cloths are drying through drying machine. Biomedical application like treatment of cancer, diagnosis and diagnosis the problem. These are the application of microwave. Okay, today in our lecture.